Hello, my name is Heather Smith, and I wanted to take a moment to explain to you the Accounting Apps newsletter. Now, that's really odd, isn't it? Explain to you the newsletter. So, I produce a bi weekly newsletter, which I refer to as the Accounting Apps newsletter. There are currently thousands of accounting apps in the ecosystem. And that's overwhelming. That's just way too much for people to cope with. So, the concept of this newsletter is that you receive it twice a week, and it gives you the opportunity to learn in small bite-sized chunks, little bits about the ecosystem to increase your awareness of what's happening, of what's out there. So the newsletter primarily tries to feature blog posts from accounting app blogs, and it tries to feature the actual technical aspects of the actual technology, what it does, what the features do, how you can use them, how your clients can use them. So I have robots that help me produce the newsletter. And what they do is they collate all the blog posts from the thousands of apps out there. And I then curate them. I go through and I scan through them to see what is going to be useful for an accountant or bookkeeper in their business and in their client's business. Okay. And I probably spend around 90 minutes before every newsletter curating it. And then what you do is I curate that down to about 40% of all the blog posts out there. But then what happens is the robots use their machine learning and their artificial intelligence to analyze what you as the subscriber have clicked on in the past and to present you with a newsletter with content that is going to resonate with you, that's going to be useful for you. So if you have frequently clicked on articles that were relevant to cash flow forecasting, you're going to receive more articles relevant to cash flow forecasting. If you've clicked through on articles relevant to plumbing and to tradies, then you're going to receive a newsletter with content related to tradies. Because you see, what the unique thing is the newsletters are bespoke. Everyone receives an individually designed newsletter that the robots have made for them that align with their interests. So I go through, I curate the quality of the content that feeds in there. Then the robots come in and they listen to you, and then they click and they collect everything and they put it in a newsletter and they send that to you twice a week. So hopefully what it is doing is actually really helping you on your journey as an accountant or a bookkeeper, in that you are receiving information that's useful for you, that you can scan through quickly and go and pick up, is this article going to help me in my business today? Or is perhaps this article going to help one of my clients? And you can actually grab it and then shoot it across to a client. And you're just going to gradually build on your education and your learning of the ecosystem. I have this theory that if you sort of set aside 15 minutes a day to learn something, eventually you're going to know it really well. And that is the sort of the goal of the Accounting Apps newsletter, to help you learn. And so I do encourage you to sign up. The link will be below or around me. And let me know what you think of it. Many of the modern award-winning accountants or bookkeepers all tell me that they love the newsletter and they sign up to the newsletter. But sign up, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like. But I really encourage you to jump on. If you know that you're aware you're keen to learn about accounting technology and the ecosystem, then the Accounting Apps newsletter is the newsletter you need to sign up for. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to connecting with you via the newsletter.